Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the next video in which I'm going to explain algebraic fraction of PLE question of class 8. So the video is going to be very long. That is why I'll just make it in two parts. In the first part, half of the question will be explained, and in another part, other questions will be explained. So let us start this. In question number 1 in algebraic fraction. The question given over here is simplify 1 upon a minus 2. I am writing the question over here. 1 by a minus 2 minus 4 upon a square minus 4. So this is algebraic expression given. Now what we will do is we have to make it in product form, in the denominator's place. Nothing can be done to a minus 2, that is why I'll keep the same. But here what do you see? We can use arrangement and formula over here in the denominator of 4. Yes, so a square minus 4 can be written like a square minus 2 square. So arrangement is done in form of formula, that is a square minus b square. Now what do you get after that? Let's see. A minus 2, nothing can be done over here. Over here 4 over a square minus b square, the formula is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Instead of b, here is 2. That is why 2 is written over here, a plus 2 into a minus 2. Now the denominators are in product form. We can take LCM. So the LCM is taken. So matching, we have to write only once. Now what is remaining? That is a plus 2. That should also come in LCM. But in HCF, we have to take only common one. So here we have unlike denominators. That is why what we have to do is we have to take LCM. Now let's see. So the LCM, this a minus 2 and a plus 2 will be divided by the denominator a minus 2. When a minus 2 will divide this a minus 2 and a plus 2, a minus 2 and a minus 2 will be cut. And the thing that is left is a plus 2. So a plus 2 will multiply the numerator. So numerator multiplied by a plus 2. Similarly over here also 4 is in the numerator. So what is left after dividing this LCM by the denominators? Nothing will be left. A plus 2 will be cut down. A minus 2 will be cut down. Nothing will be left. It means 1. 4 multiplied by 1 gives us 4 only. Now this 1 is a plus 1 2s are 2 minus 4. As a result, what do we get? Let's see to this. So like terms over here, 2 and 4 plus minus, it will be subtracted. Minus is bigger, that is why minus sign will be kept. So this is a minus 2 on the top, a minus 2 and a plus 2 in the denominator. So it will be reduced. On the top 1 is left and down a plus 2. So this is going to be the answer for question number 1. Okay, similarly moving ahead to the next question. In the next question, what do we see? We see the first term is a square plus b square whole upon a square minus b square. Minus in the middle. After that there is a minus b on the top in the numerator's place, and in the denominator's place we have a plus b. Now again let us write it in product form. The denominators a square minus b square becomes a plus b into a minus b. Numerator will remain same, a square plus b square. Similarly on the other side nothing can be done because it's already in its product form and its simplest form. Now we have to take LCM of the denominators. To take LCM of the denominators, matching first we will take, that is a plus b, and what is left, that is also to be taken now, a minus b. Now let us divide this LCM by the denominator. A plus b will be resolved, a minus b will be also resolved, only 1 will be left. 1 multiplied by a square plus b square will remain same, a square plus b square. Now minus from this middle, a plus b and a plus b will be resolved or reduced. Now a minus b is left, which will multiply to a minus b given in the numerator. So we can write it in form of a minus b को whole square. A square plus b square minus, we can write it a minus b whole square, 2 times a minus b, or you can multiply a into a into b, b into a, b into b. That can be also done, and you can write it in a minus b whole square, so that you can use the formula of a minus b whole square in expanded form. What is that? That is minus sign is in front, that is why it will be written like this: a square minus 2ab plus b square. After this, the bracket will be open, not in the denominator, in the numerator's place. The numerator has already in its product form. The denominator is in product form, nothing required as to do it in the expanded form. A square plus b square minus will make changes in the sign of all the terms in the bracket. A square plus now 2ab, now minus b square. This minus made these changes: minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, minus into minus into plus minus. Now let us do simplification. So a square is plus over here, yes, minus can be reduced. Minus over here, plus over here can be reduced. What is left on the top? That is 2ab, and in the denominator we have a plus b into a minus b. So this is how question number 2 is solved. Now let us see question number 3. Okay, in question number 3, we have the question. Wait for a while, we need some more space to write. Okay, this is the question. Okay, here we are. This is the question. The question is x over x square plus 3x plus 2. In the denominator we have 3 terms given, minus 2 over x square minus 1. So here we can easily see a middle term split method can be used for factorization, for making it into product form. And for this we can convert it into formula a square minus b square and change it into product form. So our first target is to change the denominator in product form for taking LCM. That is why we will do that first. Now first into last, when you will do, you will get plus 2x square. So plus means by adding you have to bring 3, and by multiplying 2. So what is that? By adding 3 and by multiplying 2. So this is 2x plus x. When we add this 2x plus x, it comes 3x. By adding, it's coming 3x, and by multiplying, it is coming 2x square. That is to be done when we do first into last. First into last over here. What comes? 2x square. It means by adding it should come 3x, and by multiplying it should come 2x square. So this is how it is done. Let me rub it, then after I'll begin with the thing again. Yes, again the question, we are in minus 2 over, let me arrange it, x square minus 1 square. The value will not change, 1 will remain 1 only. I can put 1 over it as a square. Now over here in first two terms we see x as common, so x plus 2 will be left, and over here in these two there is nothing common, then let's take 1 as common. X plus 2 minus 2 over, now I can change it into formula a square minus b square. Over here in place of a there is x, in place of b there is 1. So it becomes a plus b, it means x plus 1, and a minus b, that is x minus 1. Now let's see, in the denominator we have x plus 2 as common. So we will write the common one at first, and whatever the things are remaining like x plus 1, that we will write it in another bracket. So here we go, the terms are in product form in the denominator. So now let's take LCM. So what is going to be the LCM? So the LCM is over here, the matching one will be written at once. And after that, what are the remaining factors? So this is x plus 2 and another one is x minus 1. So written like this. After that, this LCM which I have taken right now will be divided by the denominator. So x plus 2 and x plus 2 will be resolved, x plus 1 and x plus 1 will be resolved, and this remaining one x minus 1 will multiply the numerator. Similarly over here, this 2 will multiply the remaining one, x plus 1, x plus 1 over x minus 1 is resolved, x plus 2 is left, that will multiply to the numerator. Now let's see what is going to come after multiplication. X into x square, minus x into 1 x, minus 2 into x 2x, minus into plus minus 2 to the 4, whole upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 1. Over here, this is in, both are the like terms, we can add them, x square minus 3x minus 4, whole upon x plus 1, x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 1. Now let us see this one first into last. What do we get? We will get minus 4x square. It means after subtracting it should come 3. After subtracting it should come 3, and after multiplying it should come 4. What can be that? What can be that number? So that number over here I'll do. Over here. Over here I'll do and draw it. Eh? So that can be x square minus, after subtracting it should come 3x. So if I'll multiply these two terms, minus 4x into x, it will come minus 4x square, minus 4x square. And if I'll subtract 1 from 4, it will come minus 3x. So this can be the middle term split, and then after I'll write the remaining, that is 4 over there in the third term. This is x plus 1, x plus 2 and x minus 1. After this, we will take common, that is x in between these two. What is left? X minus 4. In between these two, if there is nothing common, I'll take plus 1 as a common, and x minus 4 will be written in the bracket. Now the denominator is copied same, x plus 1, x plus 1, and then after x plus 2, x minus 1. After that, you see x minus 4 is common over here, that I'll take. What is left? X plus 1, that I'll write on the top. Now here the numerator and the denominator both are in product form. Now see if something which is matching, that can be reduced. X minus 4 on the top, down nothing. X plus 1 and x plus 1 can be reduced. It means the answer is going to be x minus 4 upon x plus 1. X plus 1 is reduced. So what is that? Left x plus 2 and x minus 1. So this is going to be the answer for this question. Now moving to the next question, I'll just skip this one because it came in the middle. Now I'll go to the next question, this one. I'll explain this question to you all. Let me have some space because the solutions are becoming longer. Okay, now I think this much space is enough. Enough. Okay, here we go now. So what is the question over here? 3 over x square minus 4. plus 1 over x minus 2 whole square in the new denominator's place. Now we can see we can directly change it into formula a square minus b square. And for the next term, we can write the product form for a minus b whole square, that is a minus 2 and a minus 2. So all are in product form right now. No, not this one. Only it is arranged. Now I'll just put it into the product form a plus b into a minus b. Now let's see what can be taken as LCM. So LCM, we know what we have to do. First we have to take the matching, yes, common products or the factors we have to take. After that, what is left? X plus 2 and x minus 2. Both the things can be written. First common one we have to take, then after others. Now 3 in the numerator there is. Now 3 will multiply to what? So x plus 2, x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2 will be resolved, and whatever is left in the LCM will multiply the numerator. A minus 2 will be multiplied by 3. Similarly over here 1 will multiply a minus 2 is reduced a plus 2. It will multiply to a plus 2. 3 into a gives us 3a and 3 2s are 6. Similarly 1 will multiply to both. The result is going to be same. Whole upon a minus 2, a plus 2, a minus 2. Now moving ahead, like terms 3a and a gives us 4a, both are plus, and minus 6 and plus 2 will give us minus 4. Here also you can see there is common in the numerators, right? So that is why we will take common and just try to find the answer in the product form in the numerator also. So 4 is common, what is left? A minus 1. So a minus 2 multiplied by a plus 2 multiplied by a minus 2. So nothing can be reduced over here. So this is what it is, the answer for this question. Moving down to the next question, that is over here. Let me have some more space for this also. 1 2 3 4 5 steps. Okay, so this is the question. In this question, what do we see in the numerator? 3a square minus 6a whole upon a square minus 1. Similarly, on the other side, in the other term, we have 3 by a square minus 1. Okay, so here we go. Here we see the same like denominators. We don't have a big issue over here. So in between these two terms, 3a is common. 3a is common. What is left? A minus 2. 3 2s are 6. Whole upon over here, it will go into the formula a square minus b square. This is also the same, a square minus b square. Now what do we see? We can write it something like this: a plus 1 into a minus 1 in product form. A plus 1 into a minus 1. That is the formula for a square minus b square. Now the LCM will be same. LCM is going to be same. That is a plus 1 into a minus 1. So if the LCM is same, we have to write down the numerators same to same. Okay, here we go now. What is common in between them? 3. So what is left? A into a minus 3 plus 1. Down a plus 1 into a minus 1. So as a result, what do we see? 3 is a into a gives us a square minus 3a plus 1. So a square minus 3a plus 1, you have to see whether it can go like this, first into last. First into last, if you will do, it will come plus 1 a square. So by adding it should come 3, and by multiplying it should come 1. There is nothing like that. So the answer is going to be this one. 3 multiplied by a square minus 3a plus 1 whole upon a plus 1 into a minus 1. Let's go to another question now. Okay, here we go. The question is 2x square plus x upon 2x plus 1 minus 2xy plus y whole upon 2x plus 1. Here also we have like denominators. So if we have like denominators, first let's see if we can quote them. No, we cannot. So what we do is let's take the LCM and write the numerators same to same. 2x square plus x minus, this minus will make effect in their sign. This minus 2xy and this plus y will become minus into plus minus y. So what do we get on the top? Let's see. Nothing. Okay, so let's take common. What do we see over here? By taking common, here we have common x, 2x plus 1 is left. Here we have common y, minus y. Again 2x plus 1 will be left. In the denominator we have 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 is common over here in the numerator. So what is left? X minus y. And down in the denominator we have already 2x plus 1, LCM. So it's reduced and the final answer for this question is x minus y. Let's move to the next question, that is simplify again. The question is, let me have some more space again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 steps down. Okay, here we go now. So this is the question in which I have x square minus 2xy plus y square on the top by x square minus y square multiplied by, here multiplication sign is multiplied by x plus y on the top and x minus y in the denominator. So it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b co whole square, and the down one is in form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. And now here we have x plus y by x minus y. Now here we can change it into product form x minus y 2 times, and now we can start reducing them in this step. So it is product form in the middle. We don't have any tension of taking that LCM and all. What we do is cutting only. X minus y on the top, down. X minus 1 on the top, down. X plus on the top, down. If nothing is left, that is 1. Denominator is 1, you don't have to write. Okay, moving to the next question. We have this one. Here we have a square minus 4a on the top, and in the denominator we have a square minus 4. Similarly, another one, we have a square minus 4 on the top and 4 minus a square down. So what we do is, here what do we see? Only the number digits, these numbers are interchanged, terms are changed. This is a square minus 4, this is 4 minus a square. So for this there is a special rule. If you take minus as a common over here, so minus into minus, if you will make this minus into plus, now these two terms will be interchanged. A square will go at first, minus will remain same in the middle, and 4 will go at the back. So why we are doing this? Just to match the denominators so that it will be easy for us to take out LCM. Now we got the LCM, a square minus 4. So on the numerator's place we will write everything same to same. So after writing that, what do we get? See, so this a square and a square will become 2a square. This is minus 4a down and minus 4. So for this question, if you will see, if we can convert it into middle term split method, first into last, if you will take, it will come 2 4 are 8. Common is also over there, right? First let's take common. 2 is common over there. It will become a square minus 2a minus 2 whole upon a square minus 2 square I can do, so that it will go into product form. Down a plus 2 into a minus 2. On the top we have to multiply 2. Now first into last, if you will do, it will come minus 2a square. It means by subtracting 2a should come. 2a should come, and by multiplying also 2. So is there any number that we will multiply and then it will come 2? So 2 into 1, if you will do, it will come 2, but if you will subtract 2 minus 1, it will not come that, right? So this is going to be our answer, a square minus 2a minus 2 whole upon a plus 2 by a minus 2. So let me explain one more question over here. So this one, let's see this one, right? X square plus y square upon x minus y plus 2xy upon y minus x. Again we have to see a x minus y minus x. Only we have to change this term and the denominators will be same. So to change this term, we have to make this plus into minus. If minus was there, we have to make plus. If plus is there, we have to take minus. We are taking common. So this I will write same to same, x minus y. Only I'll make changes in this sign minus. As I have changed the sign over here, these terms will be interchanged. Y will go to x place and x will come to y place. So this is how it is done. Now the denominators are same. The LCM is going to be same, and the numerators will be copied down same to same. So here numerator you see a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is the formula for a minus b whole square by x minus y. Now what do we see? X minus y, this is 2 times x minus y on the top and 1 time x minus y down. So 1 time it can be reduced, right? X minus 1 is reduced. The numerator, that x minus 1 is going to be our answer. So this is what I have explained in the first part. Now other questions I am going to explain in the second part. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.